Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews
and recommendations.
Today, we have an exciting product to talk about.
If you own a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, you'll want to stick around because we're reviewing the best wallet case available in the market, the SUANPOT Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus Wallet Case. This wallet case is designed to provide both style and functionality, so let's dive right into it. First things first, this wallet case is specifically designed for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus with a 6.4-inch display. It's important to note that it won't fit the S10 or S10e, so make sure you have the right model before purchasing. Now, what sets this wallet case apart from the competition? Well, it comes with some fantastic features. One of the standout features of this case is the RFID blocking technology. It's designed to protect your credit card information from potential theft. Most credit cards, debit cards, and ID cards have RFID chips, and this case ensures that your sensitive information remains secure. Not only is this wallet case functional, but it's also stylish. It's made from selected PU leather, which not only adds a touch of elegance but also provides shock-proof protection, strength, and durability. Inside, you'll find a notes pocket and 3 card slots, perfect for storing your business cards, ID card, and some notes. It's practical and stylish, making it a convenient daily companion. The magnetic closure on this case is strong and reliable. It keeps your phone and cards secure, ensuring nothing falls out accidentally. Overall, the SUANPOT Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus wallet case is a fantastic choice for those looking to combine their phone case and wallet into one. And the best part? It comes in a variety of colors, allowing you to choose the one that suits your style the best. Whether you prefer classic black, elegant brown, or vibrant red, there's a color for everyone. Now, let's talk about the price. You can get this high-quality wallet case for just $18.99, making it an affordable yet premium option. In summary, if you're the proud owner of a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, the SUANPOT wallet case is a must-have accessory. It combines style, security, and convenience, all at an affordable price. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to share your experience with this product, please leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. You can also follow us on social media for the latest updates. Until next time, stay tuned and stay informed.